So, hey hello guys, welcome to Voice of Triple S Brothers. 30th National Children's Science Congress is an annual meet organized by Government of India Science and Technology Department. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is the host for the program.
Children in the age group between 10 to 17 can participate. Age group 10 to 14 as on 31/12/2022 is called junior group. Age group 14 to 17 as on 31/12/2021 is called senior group.
Myself, Gigi Santosh, studying 6th A, Kendriya Vidyalaya Vijayanarayanam, Chennai region. Participate in the meet as group leader.
Myself, A. Muthusundar, studying 6th A, Kendriya Vidyalaya Vijayanarayanam, Chennai region, participated in the meet as group member. The project presentation competition was conducted in 3 levels. First level, cluster level, second, state level, and third, national level. Whoever successfully presented the project in cluster level could participate in the state level, and whoever successfully presented the project in state level could take part in the national level.
Myself and Muthusundar cleared the cluster level competition, which was held at Kendriya Vidyalaya Virudhunagar on 21/10/2022. For the successful completion of project, we got this certificate. We proudly say you that we have selected in cluster level competition and allowed to participate in regional level competition held at IIT Chennai campus on 28th and 29th October 2022. For participation in the regional level, we got this certificate.
There are 32 different project titles were given as options. Among the 32 titles, we have chose the project title is Effect on Food Supply Chain During Pandemic. For sub-theme is Ecosystem-Based Approach EBA for Self-Reliance. See this project report prepared by us. We have spent 30 days to prepare this project report. The project report should be contain a title page, certificate of originality provided from our school, birth certificate, registration from A.
The project contains the following topic. Number 1, contents. Number 2, abstract. Number 3, introduction. Number 4, hypothesis. Number 5, objectives. Number 6, methodology. In methodology, 6.1 survey method, 6.2 data collection and observation, 6.3 data analysis and interpretation, 6.4 case study, number 7 result, number 8 conclusion, number 9 solution to the problem, number 10 future scope of the work, number 11 acknowledgement, number 12 reference.
We have prepared a logbook which contains day-to-day activities. We have entered our daily activities in this logbook as a part of our submission. Our logbook looks like this. We have written our everyday activities in our logbook. Day 1, we get announcement. Day 2, we have some activities. Up to day 30, up to day 29, we have some activities. Day 30, we submitted our project in our school. This is our chart 1. It contains title NCSE 2022. Our sub-theme Ecosystem-Based Approach EBA for Self-Reliance. Our project title is Effect on Food Supply chain during pandemic. Our names, our objectives. Number 1, to study the effect on food supply chain during recent pandemic. Number 2, to find out easy and effective way of food transportation system. Number 3, to find out easy way of food delivery system during pandemic.
It is our chart number 2. It contains methodology.
In methodology, taking survey is important and time-consuming task.
Our survey questions were prepared in such a way to choose the best answer from the given option. Few questions are targeted to create awareness about pandemic to the participants. Questions were prepared to understand the difficulties in the food supply chain during pandemic. We have extended our survey to few doctors, nurses, scientists, medical shop owners, drivers, booksellers, floor sellers, goldsmiths, sweepers, handloom weavers, homemaker, business person, teacher, professor, student, entrepreneur, and non-resident Indians, NRI. We have pasted few photographs on our survey movement.
Case study 1. For a question whether food transportation or food delivery system affected because of the pandemic outbreak, 44% of people said that yes, severely affected. Another 48% of people said that affected but managed. Only 8% of people said that not at all affected. The analysis of this particular question revealed that the food transportation or food delivery system is affected. It should be improved in future.
For another interesting question, case study 2. Do you get adequate awareness about the online ordering the food or vegetable item? For this question, 50% of people said, yes, we were aware about the online ordering. Another 50% of people said, no, we are not aware about the online ordering. This survey taught us that we should create more awareness on online ordering to all kind of professional. This will make easy to get food sitting at their home. In turn, it helps us to maintain social distance.
Case study 3. Did the farmers and shopkeepers face economic loss because of this COVID-19? Majority of people, that means 92% of people said, yes, we are severely affected and lost our economic. Only 8% of people said the farmers and shopkeepers did not face economic loss. Particularly, medical shop owners opined that they get more business and earn more profit during the pandemic. The analysis of this particular question reflects that the majority of farmers and shopkeepers faced severe economic loss during the pandemic.
In chart number 3, we have brought out the results. Results are as follows for our survey. Most of the participants conveyed similar answers for all questions. Few important results are as follows. Number 1. Most of the participants opined that they faced difficulties to get grocery, whereas few faced difficulties to get vegetables, fruits, and milk.
Food transportation from one place to another was severely affected due to the pandemic. In turn, delivery of quantity food to customers became difficult.
Number 3. All the participants opined that pandemic taught them the importance of hygienic food, wearing mask, and social distancing.
Number 4. Indian government has properly handled the pandemic so that we are able to reduce the death rate comparing to the major countries like USA, China and other European countries.
In chart number 4, we have brought out the conclusion, solution to the problem, and future plan. Our conclusion is the food transportation system is not in good condition.
Our solution to the problem is the food transportation system shall be improved more.
Our conclusion is people are not much aware about the online ordering and delivery.
Our solution to the problem is create awareness about online ordering and delivery.
Our conclusion is shortage of medical professionals.
Our solution to the problem is government shall be increase the number of medical professionals.
Our conclusion is there is no proper training on effective food supply chain system.
Our solution to the problem is the producers or suppliers shall be periodically given training on effect on food supply chain during pandemic.
Based on the above literature survey, we have derived our future plan as follows. Road transportation system shall be modernized. Rural areas also shall be connected by good roads.
The food preservation buildings shall be air conditioned for long-term food preservation.
Software for online ordering and delivery system shall be further simplified so that rural and illiterate people also use the online ordering system. The above areas will be studied as our future plan.
Before concluding our presentation, we wished to convey a message to all the viewers. We extended our survey to few NRIs, that means non-resident Indian, residing at USA, Singapore, United Arab Emirates, UAE and Australia. They are known people to our parents and relatives. The survey to NRI shows that developed countries like USA, Singapore, UAE and Australia also badly affected because of this pandemic. Death rate is in increasing trend in these countries during crucial pandemic period. Getting good food and medical aid became very difficult.
Sir, we conclude our presentation with these few words to all. Comparing to developed countries like and European countries, the people of India, government of India and other state government of India had enough awareness to contain the spread of COVID-19. Somewhat we succeed to contain the pandemic. Still improvement are must, as we earlier explained.
As a sincere student of Kendriya Vidyalaya, the patriotic Bharatvasi, we assure you all, sir, we will be the forerunner and torch bearer to beat this type of pandemic if arises in future. We shape our mind to improve the conditions of nation and global public.
We extend our support to Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav by way of finding improvement in this sector.
Our effort will yield good result to build Atmanirbhar Bharat, the vision of Prime Minister of India.
With this point, we conclude our project presentation. Hope this will be helpful for students to participate in NCSE on upcoming years. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for all.